Hi guys, just wanted to make this short video to share my experience, which hopefully can help some of you out there to troubleshoot broken AC system. Recently, the AC stopped blowing cold air in my car. I checked the pressure and discovered that there wasn't any pressure in the system. All of the refrigerant leaked out. After checking everything, here is what I found. Apparently, the low pressure line was rubbing against the power steering fluid pipe for quite some time. Eventually, there was a small hole formed on the bottom and all of the refrigerant leaked out. For whatever reason, the protective plastic tubing was missing on this section of the pipe, and that's what caused the issue. On this particular car, this pipe was on the passenger side, running from the AC radiator all the way to expansion valve inside the firewall. If we remove coolant reservoir, you can see the spot where it happened. I temporarily taped the hole to avoid moisture and debris from getting inside the AC system. You can order a replacement part online or find it at your local junkyard. To remove the damaged pipe, first I disconnected it from the expansion valve. Then removed power steering fluid reservoir out of the way. Disconnected the pipe on the radiator side. Released the pipe from plastic clamps, but that was still not enough. I also had to remove one of the engine mounts. After that, I was able to take out the old pipe. Make sure to use brand new O-rings though. Old O-rings become hardened, cracked, or deformed over time and won't hold up under high pressure. I reinstalled the new pipe in the reverse order of removal, recharged the AC system, and it's good to go now. I hope this was informational and gave you some ideas of what to look for if you've got a similar problem. If you are interested, all of the parts and tools used in this video will be linked down in the description area below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.